All right, I got this keyboard from, I believe it's DeLUX, D-E-L-U-X, DeLUX, whatever, on the GM 902 Pro. So I like the ergonomic sort of thing. The real main thing I got about this is supposed to have keys light up. I'm kind of doing some work at night in the chair, and it's very dark and I can't really see the keys so well, so I'm hoping to have something that will light up. Supposed to do Bluetooth and have a USB adapter. There we go. So size about 16, a little over 16 inches, 16 and a quarter, 16 and a half wide. Look at it that way. Is that about 9.5 total? Nice squishy pad, wrist pad here, and definitely the bent out split keyboard kind of thing here. So and there's that USB adapter I was talking about. Has lifts to sort of angle either front or back, however you'd like. If you want a little bit of downward angle there. I'm going to probably use this in my lap in my chair, so I'm probably not going to want either of those. And I don't know if I'm going to use the wireless adapter or Bluetooth. I'll experiment with that. I'm going to be using it on Windows 11, maybe a couple other devices, but that's the main sort of thing. It should work for Macs. Anything else? Description of the key functions here. Special keys, I guess, up there. But I'll look through that. Should be pretty straightforward, I presume, but describes how to connect Bluetooth and all of that. Battery indicator. So I guess it is rechargeable, is my guess. I don't see anywhere else for batteries. There's an on-off switch here, and I guess that's why it came with a USB cable to charge that, which I'm sure it talks about here in the directions. Yep. So everything there that we need is on front. That is Chinese. So let me give it a test, see how it does.